And welcome to you from the Juventus Stadium in Turin, as all eyes once again are on Cristiano Ronaldo. Can he break his Serie A duck here today? And Sassuolo kick from right to left in this first half. Back to Paulo Dybala. Alexandro looking for Ronaldo. And that's a volley just wide. Emre Can, who did score 3 times for Liverpool last season, and he can do it from that kind of range.
It's a decent first touch. Tries to cut across the ball on the volley.
Marlon was brave there and slightly foolish against Matuidi, and it's pulled back for Dybala, and now it's Mandzukic. Sassuolo playing themselves into trouble, and they got away with it, at least for now.
Well, there's being composed and there's being slightly arrogant, and he loses the ball here.
Here's Joao Cancelo, terrific ball in! Oh, what a save from Consigli. How much he knew about it, I'm not sure, but it would have been an own goal from Paul Lirola. And still they're trying to reorganise, and once again it's hooked well wide by Emre Can. Juventus need a goal. They need a moment of inspiration from somewhere. Will we see a different Juve, a more high-tempo, high-energy Juve? Dybala with the corner. Oh, and headed off the post and in. Cristiano Ronaldo breaks his duck. 320 minutes into his Serie A career. He finally gets the goal that he craved. Here's Barabia. He's trying to open them up here. It's an excellent response, and Boateng went for the improbable.
Oh, that was a clever effort from him.
It's a really poor set piece from Berardi. There's Douglas Costa with his first contribution. Considerable one as well. Emre Can for Cristiano Ronaldo! This is the day that he has caught fire. Ronaldo for a second time for Juve. And there is your back page headline for tomorrow. Well, Sassuolo will take great credit away from this, but in the second half, 2 goals from Ronaldo, both preventable, and they've been done for some time. In from Berardi, headed in by Boubacar. Just when you write them off, they give themselves a chance. Well, there is the final whistle.